Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. This video is a continuation of the first one I did, and that is on how you can spot arbitrage opportunity using crypto arbitrage. But if you have not watched that video, I will leave a link to the description of this video so that you'll be able to watch the first part and see how you can start spotting arbitrage opportunity. Now, in this part, we are going to be talking about another tool you can use, which is called the arbitool.eu. arbitool.eu. So you will be required to sign up for this account before you have access to this interface here. Now, this second tool that we're going to talk about is similar to the first one that I mentioned, which is Coin Arbitrage Bot. Now, in this tool, we have from exchange and to exchange. What this is saying basically is that you will need to pick some exchange that you want to buy from, and then you will need to pick some exchange that you want to go and sell your coin. So if there's arbitrage opportunity between those exchanges, then you're going to see it here. And here we have the base currency, and here we have the quote currency. What is called base currency is the currency at the top. For example, this is Atom USD. This Atom is the base currency, while this USD is the quote currency. Now, after filling up all of this box, you can leave this as it is, and then you click on reset. What will happen is that it's going to show you the list of the coins, the exchanges where you're going to buy and where you're going to sell. And another beautiful thing that this site is going to show us, unlike the arbitrage bot that is not showing us, is that it's going to tell us how many minutes some of these coins will take before they get to the other exchange. So for example, if we look at this Steam, for example, what this is saying is that we buy Steam on Binance, we buy for 0.21, and then we sell at Polonix for 0.216, and then it's going to take 10 minutes, and this is the percentage we are going to get, and this is the maximum USDT value, and this is the maximum USD value that we are going to use. And so if you click on details here, it's going to show you some other information about the opportunity you are trying to make research on. So you'll be able to see the order book, which is an interesting one, because this will let you know the status of the coin that you are trying to use as arbitrage. So you can explore this, and also I am very sure, because a particular opportunity came that I use this site and I was able to make some money. So this is the second site that I wanted to show you, which is arbitool.eu. And like I said, you'll be able to check out different opportunities here, and you'll be able to pick the one that will be easier for you. So one thing is that if you are looking for an arbitrage opportunity, or if you have seen an arbitrage opportunity, when you have any coin that the transfer time is very high, for example, this 12 hours is just too high, because before the coin reaches the next exchange, anything might have happened. So you need to look at that. So when you're having coin within the range of 10-15 minutes, is still very good, or even less, it is going to be a very good opportunity. So you need to watch out for that. So you need to pick the one that you know will drop very fast. And that is why when looking for an opportunity, any coin that is ERC20, I really do not go for such coins. So I look for coins that would deliver faster, and not coins that would take long, because if it's taking too long, anything can happen. The arbitrage opportunity might be closed up, or we will not have the opportunity again. So that is why I would encourage you to look for an opportunity that the timing for the coin to drop is not too high. If the timing is too high, then anything can happen. So this is a second tool that you can use in order to spot an arbitrage opportunity. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you another beautiful tool you can use, and this time around, this tool will tell us the time it will take, it will tell us the profit we're going to make, and it will tell us if there is enough volume on the particular exchange we are trying to use as an arbitrage. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop beautiful content like this, because I come online and I document some of the things I see that work for me, and you too can also use them. So kindly leave your comments in the comment section below and let me know what you think about Arbitool, if it is a good crypto arbitrage scanner. So leave your comment in the comment section, and you can always reach out to me on my Telegram. I will leave a link to my Telegram in the description box of this video. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.